Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we're going to go through an important letter that you may need if you've overstayed your visa and need to explain the situation to immigration authorities. A Visa Overstay Explanation Letter. Overstaying a visa can have serious consequences, including difficulties with future travel and possible entry bans. However, if you have a valid reason and provide a well-written explanation, immigration authorities may take your case into consideration. This letter helps clarify your situation, show accountability, and demonstrate that you respect immigration laws. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through each part of the letter, following the exact structure from the template. Let's get started. Sender's information. The letter begins with your personal details, which include your full name, your complete address, including city, zip code, and country, your email address, your phone number. This section is important because it establishes your identity and makes it easy for immigration authorities to contact you if they need further information. For example, your letter might start like this: John Doe, 123 Main Street, New York, New York, 10001, USA, johndoe@email.com, +1 555 123 4567. Date. Next, include the date you're writing the letter. This ensures that the immigration office receives an up-to-date explanation. Use a clear format, such as April 15, 2025, to keep it professional and easy to read. Recipient's details. Now, we address the letter to the appropriate immigration office or embassy. This section includes the name of the immigration office or embassy, their complete address, the city and country of the office. For example, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, 75 Lower Simcoe Street, Toronto, Ontario, M5, J3A6, Canada. This ensures that your letter reaches the correct department that handles visa-related concerns. Subject line, purpose of the letter. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter. In this case, you should write, Explanation Letter for Visa Overstay. This allows immigration officers to immediately understand what your letter is about. Salutation. Addressing the immigration authority. Since you don't know the exact name of the officer handling your case, use a general but professional greeting. Dear Sir or Madam. This keeps the tone respectful and formal. Opening paragraph, acknowledging the overstay. In the first paragraph, acknowledge that you overstayed your visa and briefly express regret. This shows accountability and respect for the immigration system. For example, you could write, I am writing this letter to formally explain the circumstances that led to my overstay in Canada beyond the validity of my visa. My intention was never to violate immigration laws, and I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. This introduction sets the tone for the rest of your explanation. It's important to show that you understand the seriousness of overstaying and that you are willing to take responsibility. Explaining the reason for the overstay. The next paragraph should clearly explain the reason for your overstay. Be honest and provide specific details while keeping your explanation concise. Common reasons include a medical emergency, a flight cancellation, unforeseen circumstances such as a family emergency, a misunderstanding of visa regulations. For example, the overstay occurred due to a medical emergency. On March 10, 2025, I was unexpectedly hospitalized due to a severe illness, which prevented me from traveling as originally planned. I was advised by my doctor to delay my departure until I had fully recovered. By stating the exact date and nature of the issue, you give immigration officers a clear understanding of what happened. Actions taken to resolve the situation. In this section, explain the steps you took to correct the issue once you realized the overstay. This demonstrates that you acted responsibly and made an effort to follow the rules. For example, as soon as I was medically cleared for travel, I immediately booked the next available flight back to my home country. Additionally, I contacted the immigration office to inform them of my situation and inquire about possible solutions. If you applied for a visa extension, mention it. If flights were unavailable, explain the delay. This reassures immigration authorities that you did not intentionally overstay. Taking responsibility and assurance for the future. Next, express regret and take full responsibility for the overstay. This is a key part of the letter, as it shows that you understand the importance of immigration laws. For example, I take full responsibility for this overstay and deeply regret any issues it may have caused. I assure you that I respect the immigration laws of Canada and will take all necessary precautions to prevent a similar situation in the future. This sentence is crucial because it acknowledges your mistake while also demonstrating a commitment to following the rules in the future. Supporting documents. To strengthen your case, mention any supporting documents you are including with the letter. These could be a doctor's note or medical records, proof of flight cancellations, financial records, any communication with immigration authorities. For example, attached are the supporting documents, including my medical reports, flight cancellation proof, and communication with the immigration office to substantiate my explanation. Providing evidence makes your explanation more credible and increases the chances of a favorable response. Final request and contact information. Before closing the letter, politely request consideration of your case and offer your contact details for any further questions. I kindly request your understanding and consideration of my case. If any further clarification is needed, please feel free to contact me at johndoe@email.com or +155 51 23 45 67. This keeps the door open for communication and shows that you are willing to cooperate. Closing and signature. End the letter professionally with, "Thank you for your time and consideration." Then sign off with, "Sincerely, John Doe." This maintains a respectful tone and leaves a positive final impression. And that's how you write an explanation letter for visa overstay. By structuring your letter properly, providing a clear reason for the overstay, and including supporting documents, you increase your chances of a favorable response from immigration authorities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices. Also, feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.